Hey, how's it going? This is a continuation of Trash to Treasure. This is some of the lumber that I got on the side of the road, and today I'm going to making a shelf behind the couch. Here's the final product. All right, so the first thing I gotta do is pull out all the crap, nails, screws, whatever junk is in here from the previous whatever. You can see over here, there's quite a bit of screws, some junk, probably a couple spiders. Yeah, hammer those out. Get my measurements from the couch inside, and then start ripping and all kinds of crap flying around. Get some glasses, hammer out the junk. See you later. All right, this over here is very squishy, so I'm gonna cut all that off up to right about here. Start my measurement from there. Got to go 88 inches for the top panel. And then it's going to be 22 1/4 tall. All right. And we're back. So we had some problems with the saw, super wobbly. You can watch my short, how to fix it. Didn't know what I was doing either. Super easy. We're gonna go back to cutting. I noticed right here in the middle, there's a soft spot. So that's gonna be a perfect area for one of my cup holders. That is gonna be perfect. It's a nasty spot anyway. It's not gonna be structural, just holding, a little drink. So this first 22 inches is going to be a leg. Then we're gonna move to the top, and the bottom half is gonna be the last leg. All right, back to cutting. Right about there, good enough. It's not going into space, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And remember, here at Pop Shop, measure once, cut twice. So with anything, there's gonna be good and bad. This was free, so that's really good. But you see here, half of the board is rotted, piece of junk, so we're gonna have to cut back quite a bit. So we're losing some material, but it's free, who cares? All right, so I'm gonna cut that junk off, and then we're gonna get a new cut line. It's even wet over here. It's been destroyed for who knows how long. Right about there, good to go. So you can see here the back is nice and sturdy. The front was getting eaten up. All right. 22 1/4. Alrighty, so we have our rough cuts done. This is, free wood, trash, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to plane it down first to see which side I want my top to be, because right now they both look ugly. So yeah. Other way. All right. None of my tools seem to be working today. All right, we gotta find the right height. Gotta secure it so it doesn't wibble wobble all over the place. I'm gonna go down 1/4 of an inch. Try again.
Wood planing montage engaged.
After a few passes, there's so much crap on this side. I'm really gonna have to dig into it. I found my bottom. And I will make this my top. I'm gonna give it a few more on the top, and then Yeah. So this just goes to show that even trash can turn into beauty. I mean, we did a couple passes on the planer, and it's really starting to see like it's something you buy at the store.
Amazing! Look at that! That looks like what you would buy from a store.
And it's real pretty, you know? You got a little bit of patch here that's junk, but this will be my cup holder or USB cord spot. I'm just gonna work with what I got, you know? Part of the beauty of working with trash. All right, so we're halfway there. We have our 2 legs, the main board. We lost a lot because of all the dry rot and the junky wood. So we're gonna have to use a new board. This is what it started off as, and we turned it into this beauty of a nice cedar plank. So we're gonna cut our little 45s to support our legs, and now we can do the fun stuff after that and cutting out our cup holder holes and start doing the electrical box for your plugins, for your phone, for your all the good stuff. Okay, so we gotta be quiet because the wife and kid are asleep. We're trying to do a good job right now. Check this out. So now we have our board. We're trying to figure out the spacing that's best for people and the layout because we have this nasty spot here that's rotted out. So I want that to be cut out. I don't know where I want the cup holder is going to be, so we're going to start laying stuff out. What's best for the room? Hey, act like you're having a drink on the couch. Where would you put your hand?
Sit here. Right there.
Okay.
Right here.
Oh, we got this cup holder there? Yeah. All
I
right.
think at the edge of, in the seam of the seats.
Okay.
What if you're in the corner?
Lay down in the corner. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You're in the corner here. Bam, right there.
Boom. Okay.
So you got one right here.
Yep.
In the corner. Right there. Outlet here.
Money.
Come on.
Money. All right.
There we go.
We got locations.
Let's go cut some holes.
Now we gotta, okay. Now we have to move this very carefully to not upset our cup holders. Ready? All right, gotta keep it level. Hey, now we can talk. All right. Oh, no.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we had to be quiet because the wife and kid are asleep. I was trying to be mathematical and space everything out evenly. Once you go on the couch, you know, your arms, they automatically go where they want to go. So that's where our cups are going. Doesn't make sense to have them where they're not going to be long. So we have them all spaced out unevenly. It's going to look goofy, but it's the most comfortable. So this is where we're going to cut out. Oh, here's a fun trick. So I've seen this before. I'm sure you've seen it. This board is 5 5/16. It's not really fun to do the math on that. Bring it over. Get you a nice even number like 6. And now half of that is 3. And there's your center line. Here's the cup holder. Here's the drill saw. It's not quite the right size, but we'll figure it out. Hungry girl, she wants to eat.
Shout dog!
Ear it.
J-Rock, it's made out of hockey sticks and a piece of wood.
Yeah, but it's tight.
All right, so we're gonna do 2 little 6-inch pieces here at a 45 double end. Oh, I said something last night about we're not flying it. Nothing to it but to do it. It's not coming out. It's one-way screws. Only go in, can't come out. Slap this puppy in the house. Dude, it's finally done. Check it out. It's got all the gizmos and gadgets. It's gonna be delicious. Oh yeah. Thanks for following along with this. It's a great project. I love it. I'm gonna do more. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.